Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
We are going to discuss about latest job openings in Visakhapatnam location. Attention please, do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Bandhan Bank all over India, and they have 3656 bank units and 1045 general banking branches, and they have a openings for 45,549 job roles. You can check with the job description details, and this is a field job. If you see, qualifications should be minimum 20 to 32 years of age between, and that is maximum age is 32 years, and should have 10 plus 2 qualification and above, and you should have a bike or scooty, and should have driving license as well. So this is a field work. And then if you see, they are going to give a uh, fixed salary and PF, medical claims, insurance, gratuity, like this. And based on your performance, your salary will be revised. So you should have a PAN card, and you should have a Aadhaar card, everything. And you should share your resume or CV along with your documents to the provided email ID. Email ID is territory@bandhanbank.com. So this is the email ID you have to share. If you have any questions, let me know in below in comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for Aditya Degree Colleges, Visakhapatnam, for the 4 locations in Visakhapatnam. They have openings for librarians and lab assistants, and for, lab assistants for the below subjects. And also, you have to attend along with your certificate on any working day, or you can share your resume by post or email. By post, if you want to like send, you can give the address details of the college, or you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is adcvsp@aditya.ac.in. And if you see, for librarian, qualification is Master of Library Science, and with science background is preferable. And for lab assistants, should be a graduates or postgraduates or diploma, and you should be able to assist and guide the students who throughout the practicals in the labs for the below subjects like physics, chemistry, computers, electronics, animation, microbiology, biochemistry, and biotechnology. For all these departments, they have openings for lab assistants. And for the 4 locations they have openings, I will be providing the contact numbers for each location. Asilmetta contact number is 9949276661, and Ramnagar 8367576665, and Gopalapatnam 9949276662, and Old Gazwaka 8897526662. If you have any questions, let me know in below comments. I'll be replying for that. Next, there is a job opening for customer relationship manager and telecaller and multimedia operator and bank loan and document controller for the organization MVB and MK Housing. And you can see they have provided the address details and email ID and work location, everything they have provided clearly. And for customer relationship manager, only female candidates are eligible and should be any graduate and should have 4 to 5 years of experience in real estate industry. And for telecaller position, only female candidates are eligible and should be a graduate and should have minimum 5 to 6 years of experience in real estate industry. For multimedia operator, the candidate, both male and female candidates are eligible and should have a 5 to 6 years of experience in like photo shoot and social media uploading activities like this. The experience should be there. And for bank loan and document controller, both male and female candidates are eligible and should be a graduate and must have minimum 5 to 6 years of experience in banking loan section or loan document controlling activities. So you can see the work location will be Kurmanapalam, Gazuwaka, and you can share your resume at the provided email ID. Email ID is mvv.mkpark2019@gmail.com, and they have also provided the contact number. If you have any questions or clarifications needed, you can contact on the provided number. Contact number is 9392112314. Next, there is a job opening for doctors for general hospitals. Should be a MBBS graduate and minimum 2 years of experience is required. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, and the hospital is Emmanuel General Hospital, and they have also provided the address details here. You can check with that, and you can share your resumes to the provided email ID. The email ID is emmanueltaram@gmail.com, and contact numbers are 76800 and 7013231059. Next, there is a job opening for NCL Group Industries Limited. It is like a walk-in directly. They have provided the basic information about the company here. You can check with that. They have openings for batching plant operator, electricians for the location Autonagar, Vellanki, Vizag, and for sales officers, Vellanki and Tallapalam. For these locations, they have openings for sales officers, and trainee position assistant sales officers for the locations Autonagar, Vellanki, and Tallapalam, and site coordinators for the locations Vellanki and Tallapalam. So you can directly walk into the provided address on 14th and 15th of December between 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. The address details provided here clearly. You can check with that. Nagarjuna RMC, plot number 91C, D block, near Walmart, best price, Autonagar, Gazuwaka, Visakhapatnam, AP 530026. And they have also provided the contact numbers. If you have any questions or clarifications, you can contact. Contact numbers are 9121207180 and 9133330238 and 9392881656. And for batching plant operator electricians, should be a ITI qualification, and minimum 5 to 10 years of experience will be considered in operations and maintenance of batching plant and its auxiliaries. And for sales officers, should be a graduate and minimum 3 years of sales experience is required and should be relevant to the ready mix concrete or any building material products. And for trainee sales position and assistant sales officers, should be a diploma or BE or BTech graduate in civil engineering, and who should have an interest in career to start a career in sales department and in marketing, and if they are interested can attend. And for this position they have not mentioned any experience, so freshers are eligible for this job role. And for site coordinators, should be having experience in RMC plants and should be able to coordinate between the plants and customers for delivering the concrete. So you can directly walk into the to the provided address. Along you have to take your resume and photographs. They have also included the official website address. This one you can go through it to know about more information about the company. The website address is www.nclind.com. If you have any questions, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Masterminds Educational Institution for the job roles campus in charges and marketing in charges and telecallers. Only female candidates are eligible for this telecallers job role, and for campus in charges and marketing in charges, both male candidates, only male candidates are eligible. For telecallers position, only female candidate is eligible. Qualification, if you see, should be a graduate or should have a BTech degree. Minimum 20 to 45 years, like minimum 20 years of age should be there, and below 45 years. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8008557071 and 89784 80432. Next, there is a job opening for Srimukhi Gold Finance for sales manager's position. Attractive salary is offered along with the incentives TADA. Age should be below 35 years and you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9502517384 and 9399944419. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Rajarajeswari Groups for the job role office administrative. Qualification should be a MBA marketing and graduate. Salary offered minimum 15,000 to up to 25,000 per month and only female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9666821818. Next, there is a job opening for Aditya Degree Colleges located in Kakinada, like head office is in Kakinada. They have openings for North Andhra and Godavari districts, different locations to teach this all these subjects for the classes BSc, BCA, BBA and BCom. And they have openings for all these departments like mathematics, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, hotel management, chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology, English and Telugu languages. And they have also openings for training positions, arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills. And they are also in requirements librarians and lab demonstrators for all science departments, and they have also openings for hardware technicians for computer labs. Attractive salary is offered for deserved candidates, and you can share your resume at the provided email id. Email id is career@aditya.ac.in, and head office is Kakinada, but they have openings for both North Andhra and Godavari districts, different locations. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further clarifications and some information. They have also included the official website address. Official website address is www.aditya.ac.in/degree and contact numbers are 0884237665 and 2385359 and mobile number is 9704376667. Next, there is a job opening for Andhra Layola Institute of Engineering and Technology, and it is located in Vijayawada. They wanted the faculty for the departments mechanical engineering, electronics and communications engineering, electrical and electronics engineering, computer science engineering and information technology departments. They have openings for professors, associate professors and assistant professor positions. Qualification is as per AICTE norms, and whoever having the PhD qualification, they will be preferred. Special consideration will be given for them. And eligible candidates can share your resume at the provided email id and should reach the resume and 2 passport size photos along with your certificates of like Xerox copies to the provided address before 20th to like that means December 20th should reach before that, on or before that. And email id is alietbja@gmail.com. I repeat, alietbja@gmail.com. They have also provided the contact number for further clarifications and information. Contact number is 086624766161. Next, there is a job opening for on this Andhra Rexine House for the salesman position and also helpers. They have included the contact numbers and address details here. You can check with that. Address is opposite to Leela Mahal Complex, Daba Gardens. Contact number is 9848189786 and 7032726876. Next, there is a job openings for Sri Sharda Vidyanilayam located in Wipro Junction, Vizag, for the qualified BEd teachers to teach the classes 8th to 10th for the subjects physics and computers. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9063890128 and 9063890162 or 9063890163 or 9063890164. All these four numbers you can contact any of the number for further clarifications and information. Next, there is a job opening for IV overseas for the position senior counselor and should have a minimum 1 to 3 years of experience. They have provided the official contact address details here, and there is also contact number provided for further information. Contact number is 8886604198. Next, there is a job opening for DAV Public School for the primary teachers and secondary teachers. For primary teachers to teach the subject English language, and for secondary teachers to teach the subjects physical science, chemistry, biology and English. The candidate should be a graduate. Qualification is should be a graduate or postgraduate in concerned subject along with BEd qualification. And preference will be given to the CTET or APTET qualification candidates. Should be below like up to 35 years of age will be considered. You will be screened through written test and interview, and you should be able to give a demo initially. Demo will be there, then written test and interview. This is the selection procedure. Applications with along with your resume and passport size photographs should send like to the address provided address should reach before 14th December. Like by today you have to submit. And they have included the contact number for further information. Contact number is 0891257252. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and they have mentioned the should reach before 14th December, but still you can contact on the given phone number. If any positions are still available, you can check and you can apply. Next, there is a job openings for real estate leaders for the locations Vizag and Hyderabad, who are having like sales expert, should be a sales expert for the DGM, AGM, MM and marketing executives. For all these positions required, they are going to offer a very attractive salary along with incentives. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and organization is Dream Shelters. Contact number is 9494117688. Next, there is a job openings for reputed real estate company for the positions receptionist, marketing executive, office boy and housekeeping. They have provided the address details here. Address is Ash 50421 near Gurudwara, PNT Colony, Karur Vaisya Bank Building, Vizag 13. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9666697908 and 9247187499. Next, there is a job opening for marketing executives for Gaudurbar Natural Products Company located in Visakhapatnam. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role marketing executive. Up to 10 posts are available. Location is Vizag City and Vizag Rural, Vijayanagaram, Srikakulam, West Godavari and Vijayawada locations. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. Salary offered up to 20,000 and allowances will be there up to 10,000. Should have like experience who are having in agarbatti and puja products will be like in that those companies, manufacturing companies, they will be preferred more. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9000129881. Next, there is a job openings for CNC programmers, CNC machine operators, quality inspectors and general helpers for the locations Gazwaka, Autonagar. Who are having relevant experience, they are required. You can share your resume at the provided email ID, or you can contact on the given phone number for further information. Email ID is assettoling123@gmail.com and contact number is 8096997772. Next, there is a job openings for MedPlus all over Vizag districts, Vizag, Gazwaka and Anagapalli, Elamanchili locations for the medical shop pharmacist position should have DNB pharmacy with PCI registration. Minimum age is 20 years and up to 35 years of age will be considered. And for pharmacy assistant, this is for pharmacist and pharmacy assistants. Only male candidates are eligible. Should be like 18 years and up to 28 years will be considered. Along with your Aadhaar card and updated certificates and resume, you can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8498062388 and 8498062387. Next, there is a job openings for Banyan Tree Ready-Made Showroom for sales executives, and there are also openings for permanent and temporary staff, both for female and male candidates, like till Sankranti festival. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8147175176 and 9247199103. There is a job openings for Aditya Real Estate. They have openings for marketing executives. Both male and female candidates are eligible for these job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9494209977. Next, there is job openings for SLV company for marketing executives and team leader and agents and executive cadre till vice president. All these positions they have openings. They are going to offer good incentives as well. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9703400045 and 9703400052. Next, there is a job openings for Pudami developers for the positions telecallers. Only female candidates are eligible for this job role, telecallers, and marketing executives. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role, marketing executives. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 9490327371 and 9963774688. Next, there is a job opening for Tilak Garments located in Dwarka Nagar, Vizag for ready-made showroom. Should have a 1 year of experience. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job roles. They have openings for computer operator and cashier and sales in charge and receiving staff. Salary offered minimum 10,000 and they offer 4 week of per month. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9052516003. Next, there is a job opening for Sri Sai Lakshmi Medical Store. Both male and female candidates are eligible for this job role. And they have provided the address details here. Old Jail Road, opposite to Judge Court, Visakhapatnam. You can contact on the given phone numbers for further information. Contact numbers are 8919416136 and 8143288538. Next, there is job openings for Hanuman Sumat located in Madhuravada. They have openings for sales executives who are having experience, prior experience in a shoe mart, like any shoe mart relevant showroom. They will be preferred. Salary offered up to 12,000 and they also offer accommodation also. You can contact on the given phone number for further information, and only male candidates are eligible for this job role. Contact number is 8519988988. Next, there is a job openings for JSR Silks located at Jagadamba Theatre Complex, Jagadamba Center. They have openings for sales executives. Should you have a minimum 1 year of experience in clothes showroom, and cashier position should be a BCom graduate and should have a 2 years of experience in accounts or cashier, like as a cashier, and should have a computer knowledge. You can contact on the given phone number for further information. Contact number is 9032045788. That's it in this video, guys. I will be coming up with more updated job openings as soon as possible. And sorry for the delay in uploading the videos. I'll try to do it as early as possible moving forward. I'll be providing genuine job updates. Like I will be doing thorough research before providing the information, and I'm also uploading different variety of job openings directly through company website as well. You can check out those job openings on our channel. And thank you so much for your support and love, guys. Keep support me like this. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos on job openings moving forward as well. And please like and share our channel with your friends as well and family members as well who are in need of job. Then thank you so much. Lots of love to you everyone. Have a great day.